I want to take this opportunity to thank everyone for your efforts that you've put in to keep everyone safe. We are now ready to move to phase 2 of our reopening, which will begin after 18th of June.
I think I can speak for most of Singapore that once we heard the start of phase 2, we celebrated like it was National Day. My phone was buzzing for the whole night. Half of the messages of my friends asking me where we should eat first, while the other half is telling everyone to just stay home for the time being. Personally, I celebrated. But then, I started to feel unprepared. Like, if I'm really ready to go back out there again. Oh, some people have this habit of compartmentalizing their memories. I do that too. So I categorize my memories into childhood memories, life-changing moments, fun night out with friends. Okay, some of the tapes are a bit ruined because of the alcohol, but they're still good. So, during the pandemic, I decided to open the box. This box is where I keep those memories which I haven't really processed yet, or just things I haven't really thought through. Like this one. This was pre-COVID. I used to stay out until 4, 5 a.m. trying to figure this one out.
Hey. I thought things through, and I think we shouldn't go out anymore.
Oh, why?
I don't feel the same way about you anymore.
Sometimes memories can get distorted, especially if you keep recalling them time and time again. It wears them out.
I lost feelings for I got bored. I was sleeping. I was other. I don't feel the same way about you anymore. I'm sorry.
Memories can haunt you, especially during a pandemic. You can't meet up with your friends for an impromptu supper to distract yourself. You can't go to the gym to exhaust yourself so that you don't have energy to think of stupid things at night. Or like a non-essential artist like me, you don't have any jobs to distract you. Isolation can kill during the circuit breaker. So, to figure out this tape, I scrolled through old conversations, old pictures, talked to myself, talked to my friends, talked to everyone I could get a hold of. I just couldn't understand it. You lost feelings. That's it? It's so simple? I don't know, maybe like, there must be a better answer than that. Childhood trauma, mismatched attachment styles, I'm neglected when I was young. It can't be that simple, right? Eventually, I stopped searching for answers. Life goes on, you know? I need to prepare for school, I have online classes and workshops. I can't keep looking back. I realized that sometimes you just have to move on without closure. Even if there's a literal pandemic to pause the world and to just give you time to think, you'll fall short. And that's okay. I guess that's being human, right? Finding the strength to move on, even though you don't have all the answers in the world. And just trust that things will get better for you.
We can finally go to that favorite cafe of yours. Can't wait to finally meet you in person. See you.
I think I'm ready to get back out there.